All right, guys, Laura's gonna be over here to pick up her arrangement. I'm so glad she's finally gonna get to check it out. All right, I think I hear her. Hey, Laura, how are you?
I'm great. Look what I brought you today.
All
from
right.
my garden.
Oh my God, they're beautiful.
Oh, is it okay if I put them in the pot?
Yes, I have water right there.
Oh my gosh. Of course you have water. Look at all these beautiful flowers you have. Oh my goodness.
And here is your design.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so
Does it look
much.
Easter to you?
It is beautiful. It's going to fit perfect in the dining room.
Great. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit last night off the video. So I added some little leather leaf just to fill it out. So I hope you like it.
I love it. I love it. And the irises from my garden.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
And if you notice, I put, well, look at what I have.
Oh my gosh.
I have some picks.
Can I
want
do some of those?
You can stick them in wherever you
Can?
feel the color needs, wherever it needs it.
Well, it's awful beautiful. I don't know where.
It is?
But yeah, anywhere.
Anyway.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
How can I put it here?
I would, yeah. And just stick
one
it,
here?
you'll feel the oasis down in the bottom.
Oh yes.
You feel it?
I did
There
it.
you go. There you
How
go.
simple was that?
So
Okay.
I'll let you have those, and when you're at home, you can just sit there and pick exactly where you want it. Does that sound good?
Thank you. It sounds great.
So,
So-
by the way, guys, Laura, this is where she put her. Oh my gosh. So Laura put her little egg there, just to show you. It's really smart to use Easter picks whenever you're doing a design like this. So I definitely recommend it. Once we, do you have any questions, Laura?
How long did it take you to put this together?
It took me about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. But with the advent of time lapse, it's only going to be a minute and a half when everyone watches it.
Perfect.
Yeah, so
Oh
it's
my
perfect.
gosh.
In this world now where we're so busy, it's perfect. But
amazing.
if people do want me to talk through the entire design and put out a 30-minute video, I'll be happy to do that.
That would be awesome.
All
That
right.
would be great.
So I just want to let you know,
Yes.
I used
I was going
my
to ask
leather
you, what do you
leaf.
use? They're so shiny.
So what I use is Green Glow, and I use that for the greenery, and it actually puts a nice shine on it. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And you can get
Can
this.
I give it a spray?
Yeah, you can give it a spray. Don't spray the flower.
Okay, just a little.
Just the green.
Woo!
Isn't that great?
That's great.
Yes, I know
Oh,
it's
look
perfect.
at it. That's amazing.
I know.
Love it, Jamie. How beautiful is this?
I'm glad you like
I
it.
love it.
I love your hat, by the way,
Thank you.
and those
And what do you
glasses.
think of my glasses?
Oh my God.
Butterflies.
It's gorgeous.
And my butterfly brooch that I turned
Oh.
into a necklace.
Wow, that is beautiful.
But I love your hat the best.
Thank you.
We're all ready for Easter.
Already, I know some people want to see my eyes, so I'm going to put on my regular glasses for a second. Hey everyone,
Okay.
it's so much brighter too.
Oh, can I have one of those too?
Yeah, what?
Oh, I'm just gonna take your flower arrangement and an Easter. Look
No
at the Easter
problem.
stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a lot here.
There
I love
is.
it. I can pick any of these.
You can, let me show everyone. Everyone, we are going to, she's going to pick either, well, I don't know what she's going to pick. Let's see what she picks.
How do I open this?
Good question. We should have
Just gonna
prepared
set it
for
up.
opening it, huh?
Oh, I want hop hop.
Okay.
Hop. Woo! Hop! It did hop. Woohoo!
That's
Hop,
great.
hop. And as I said, there's so much going on. I see something else. Woo! Hip hop. That's what I'm taking. Hip
Hip
hop.
hop! Hip hop! That's
Awesome. Thank you very much.
perfect. You are
Thank
so
Oh
welcome.
my gosh.
You see anything else?
Oh my! I see so many things. Okay, I love the little windmill.
Place it.
Can I place it at?
Yeah, wherever you think it needs
I
it.
think you
It
would like
perfect.
that right.
And just stick that down in the oasis. Perfect.
Beautiful.
Oh my God,
Beautiful.
it's perfect.
Oh my
Laura, this
gosh.
is so awesome.
And Jamie,
Yes.
what are you gonna do with this cute little thing?
Isn't that gorgeous?
Where'd you get this?
Guess what? When I decorated the table, it was in the back of a closet. I forgot it.
Oh,
So
you can add to your table
I
later.
know, and that's a new one too.
That's so cute.
Isn't that cute?
And where did you know where you found this one?
Well, actually, we'll have to ask our friendly squid, Zim, because he's the one that found it.
Squid Zim.
Yes.
Goodness, so cute.
I know.
I'm just in awe, Jamie. This is so beautiful, and I
Thank
so
you.
enjoyed my visit with you today.
I'm so glad you came over.
Thank you.
And guess what? We're gonna go over to your house and we're gonna cook sometime,
Oh
right?
yes, come to my home to cook.
Oh, by the way, your lipstick is beautiful.
Thank you. You can call me Lipstick Laura.
I will call you Lipstick Laura.
Purple
Perfect.
today, my favorite color, purple.
All right, and it matches the little pieces of the hat.
And my butterfly sunglasses.
So why not every time you come over you switch your color up on your lips?
Great idea. I've always wanted to wear lipstick, and now I will.
That looks great on you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna take this over to Laura's, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you later. Bye.